Hey everyone, my name is Bethany Brand, and this is my case study 3 for SPCE 638. So the client information, the client is 5 years old. He's a male. He's diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. The behavior of concern is tantrum. The operational definition of that would be any instance of the client flopping to the floor and or making vocalizations above a normal speaking level for more than 5 seconds with or without tears. So the verbal operant tacting, the client is nonverbal. Naturalistic teaching is being used for him to have him use vocal approximations of words to tact them. So this pretty much looks like echoing you. So when he's playing with cars, when he's eating applesauce, when he's playing with trains, when he wants his juice, whatever it is, we just have him echo us tacting the object. So we use vocal approximations for him. So for cars, he says k, k. For applesauce, we have him say ah, ah. For trains, he says t, t, t. And then for juice, sometimes he has juice and sometimes he has water. So we just get him to say k for cup. Like I said, this is naturalistic, so it's just when he's engaging with these objects, we have him use these vocal approximations. Common objects in his life are also in his DTT program to have him learn what they are receptively. So touch the ball, touch the juice, touch the applesauce, touch the cars, whatever it is. We put him in a field of 2 and have him touch them. But we'll talk about more of that in a minute. Stimulus class, formal stimulus class is for him. So the client is being taught different tangible items that are highly preferred to him. The teaching procedure. So the intervention started with us simultaneously having the goals of matching preferred items together and receptively tacting them. So for matching, we started off, the client would match preferred items together. There would be a field of two pictures, and the client would receive the SD match cars, and he would match pictures of cars together. They were identical pictures. We have grown from that at this point, and now the pictures are the same, but we hand him actual car, but the object that we are matching looks just like the picture. They are identical. So for receptively tacting, the client would touch the preferred item when given the SD using most to least prompting. So a field of 2 is presented and the SD touch the cars is given, and we use hand over hand prompting to have the client touch the car. And then we represent the same exact SD and we use a gestural, and we hold his elbow. We hold his elbow and have him touch it. And then the SD is represented and we do the gestural. So we're like pointing to the correct one. And then it is represented and the client is to give an independent correct response. This goes different every trial. So sometimes we have to do more gestures or more prompting, and sometimes it's less, but we do want to end on an independent response from him. The derived stimulus relation. So transitivity. So the client is taught that A equals B and B equals C, and then puts together that A equals C. So we started off with the client is taught that the spoken word car means the picture of the car or the actual car. We did that with the matching. And then the client puts together that touch car means touching the car. So he puts together the spoken word car and the picture of the car. So that could be A and B, both mean car. So then, so A equals B, B equals C, and then he puts together that A equals C, that touching car means the car. And that is my case study. Thank you so much.